In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Slack notifications not working. If your alerts have suddenly gone quiet, the most common culprit is that Slack has paused notifications, sometimes called Do Not Disturb. The fix is quick, and I'll walk you through it so your messages, mentions, and reminders start coming through again. Start by opening Slack on your desktop or in your web browser. Look down to the bottom left corner of the Slack window. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your photo, your initials, or a default avatar. That little area is more than just your profile. It's also where Slack hides key controls for your availability and notifications. Click that profile icon to open a small menu. In this menu, find the option labeled Pause Notifications. If notifications are currently paused, this section will show that status and give you the option to change it. Go ahead and select Resume to resume all notifications. That single click unpauses alerts right away, restoring the banners, sounds, and badge counts you expect for new activity. You should notice subtle changes that confirm it worked. For example, if you previously saw a moon, a Z, or another quiet time indicator near your name, it should disappear once notifications resume. From this point on, Slack will deliver alerts based on your existing preferences. So messages that mention you, DMs, and any threads you're following will start notifying you again, just like before the pause. A quick note on how this behaves. Resuming notifications immediately ends any temporary pause you may have set, such as pause for 30 minutes. If you've also set up scheduled quiet hours, those will still take effect at their usual times, which is helpful if you want evenings or nights to stay silent. Resuming simply brings alerts back now, without changing your longer-term schedule. It's also helpful to remember where this control lives. That profile icon at the bottom left is your fastest way to turn notifications off or back on as your day changes. If you ever notice silence from Slack again, this is the first place to check. And that's it. Click your profile icon, choose Pause Notifications, then select Resume to bring everything back. With that simple change, you should start hearing pings, seeing banners, and catching those red badges again when someone needs your attention. And there you go. That's all you need to get Slack notifications working again.